Welcome to Nursing Tech. Today topic is CPR.
Hi, welcome to Nursing Tech. Myself Charan. I am going to teach you about CPR. What is CPR? CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. What is the meaning of cardio? Cardio is related to heart and pulmo is related to lungs. What is the meaning of resuscitation? Is nothing but restore. Restore of life is known as CPR. It is mainly basic emergency procedure, basic cardiac life support, mainly done during the time of absence of pulse and respiration. This is known as CPR. Mainly indication of this CPR, whom we will give the CPR, is mainly cardiac arrest. What is the meaning of cardiac arrest? Is nothing but heart unable to pump due to lack of oxygen supply. What is the indication of CPR? Whom will give CPR is mainly cardiac arrest patient and unconscious patient if the absence of pulse and respiration, and we mainly given collapse of the lungs and drowning patient, and overdose of drug can lead to lung collapse. That time we will perform the CPR. CPR mainly involves two methods in the two settings. One is BCLS, another one ACLS. BCLS full form is basic cardiac life support. It's mainly occurs in outside the hospital settings, is known as BCLS. BCLS full form is basic cardiac life support. In the outside setting of the hospital, it is mainly involved in outside the hospital setting. For example, I am walking in the road, then one person is collapsed in the center of the road. Then we should perform CPR. How to perform CPR? It's mainly comes on mnemonic. It's doctor's CAB, doctor's cap. What is the name? What is the D stand for danger. We should assess the patient if he is in a danger place or safer place. We should give the CPR in the safer place. Second one is R. R is nothing but response. D stand for danger. We should assess the patient if the patient in danger place or safer place. We should perform CPR in the safer place. And second is R. R is nothing but response. We should check the response of the patient. Hello sir. Hello sir. Hello. Are you okay? This is the response of the patient. We should tap in the shoulders. Then we assist the response of the patient. If patient will not respond, then yes. Yes stand for shout for help. In the outside the hospital settings, the one person cannot do the CPR. It need help. We should call for help. Anyone call ambulance? Please call the ambulance. We should shout for the help. And next is CAB. CAB is nothing but C. C is the circulation. Mainly we check the carotid pulse. Carotid pulse is present near to the neck area. It is why what is the necessary of carotid pulse should check in why after the checking pulse respiration, if both are absent, then we directly perform CPR. CPR is an emergency. It should quick, and first we for a 1 minute 120 chest compression and 8 mouth-to-mouth resuscitation should be provided. Okay. C stand for carotid pulse or circulation. Why we are checking the carotid pulse? Because the carotid pulse is the only one artery that mainly connects the heart to brain. So we should check the carotid pulse. It's mainly present in the neck region. And A stand for airway. If we check the airway position, mainly giving the position is called chin lift, head lift position. We should be given. If the patient tongue can be go inward direction, we should using the fingers. We should remove the tongue. And next is mainly after giving the chin lift and head lift position, we should check the breathing. Breathing we can check through sensation or expandation. How we are checking the breathing is through sensation. Our chin can near to the nose. If there will presence of respirations, we can clearly sense the respiration. If the all are absent, then perform CPR. Yes, it mainly involves 30 chest compression and 2 mouth-to-mouth resuscitation in the 15 seconds. And 1 minute is take 120 compression and 4 mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. And its chest compression mainly involve provided in the medial sternum. It's mainly we are provided first non-dominant and should be first and dominant hand should be upper side, and we are provide compression in between the two nipples and in the medial sternum. We should provide the elbows are flexed. Do not elbow and 30 compression should be provided. After the compression, we should give 2 mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Nose will be pinched and 2 mouth-to-mouth resuscitation provided. And after
Thank you for watching.